What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 1989 Honda Goldwing. This is the GL 1500-6, the 1520cc motor, 5-speed transmission with reverse, weighing in at like 150 pounds. This bike is a little on the rough side. I'm going to pick it apart and give you guys the lowdown on what is up with this bike. It will be priced accordingly. And when I say it's on the rough side, I really mean cosmetically. It runs pretty well. As with any of these older bikes, you know, there's a few things here and there. There you can see the rear tire. Rear tire is pretty decent. Got some life left on it. Got the hitch there. If you're crazy enough to pull something with a motorcycle. It's got this wild looking exhaust that splits into 4. I'm not familiar with that. Can't say that I love it, but for something that will be more affordable, that's what you're getting. Here on the back, you can see that it's in pretty decent shape here in the back. There's some scratches here underneath where the license plate would be. I mean, this badge is fading a little bit. You can kind of see that there. There's some holes drilled. I don't know if something was there. There's actually matching on this side too. I don't know if there's like a piece that belongs there and there that isn't there or is not present. But yeah, so that's what that is. See the old school Goldwing badge on the back there, and you can see this is the back of the trunk. That is all right. It's not in bad shape. There's some marks in here and here. Up here on top on the luggage rack, there is like some rust here, and you know along here you can see all that. This outer piece right here, this is actually in pretty nice shape, but like I said, it's an 89 Goldwing. It's got like, we'll look at the odometer here in a minute, but it's like 66,000 miles, something like that. See all these like marker lights. Yeah, so here on the side of the bag, this trim piece here is starting to bubble a little bit. You can see that if I put the camera close. There's some light scuffing in here in the clear coat. Yeah, but it works, holds stuff. There you can see the exhaust sticking out underneath, sticking out coming to the back, and it splits into the cool like double pipe. Up here on the side, got the controls for that. Yep. And you got your passenger floorboard. There's that Goldwing badge again. This side panel, there's some like it's starting to like peel off right there. Some fading in the badge. Here you have some, it's starting to bubble. I don't even know what that is, why that's doing that. But this is exactly how I got it, so I'm gonna sell it how I got it. But again, like I said, it runs great. We've been riding it around. We actually have been riding around the block just for fun. There will be a test drive up that Sean will do. Don't miss out on the test drive on this 1989 Honda Goldwing. So you got the armrest there for the passenger. You got the backrest there for the rider. This seat looks like it got like, almost like it got melted. Not sure how that would have happened, but that's where that's at. There's a tear here, and a tear up here at the top, which we'll see that all again here towards the end of the video. I'm gonna keep going down here on the low side. There's the GL 1500-6. Yeah, so there's the front fairing on the side. There's some scratching up here. A little bit of like, I don't know if I want to call it pitting. I don't know if that's even actually chrome, but you can see it there in the video. There you can see the front wheel. Got that big cover over all that stuff. This front fender is significantly faded. Right there is about like the truest of the color you can see. And this badge is like the black's coming out of the badge. The Goldwing there up top. This is all faded, some scratching, but there you go. You can see that. You can see the headlight. Spin it around. There is this side here. All that, the front fairing here. There's like holes here. It looks like there's a trim piece that might be missing. Let me go see. It is the same on this side, but the holes are there. Again, it's like there would be like a trim piece across there that is not there anymore. Again, I think there might have been a Goldwing badge here because there's holes there. Yeah, so that's that. You can see here, there's highway pegs there on this side, and there's the motor. It is the 6-cylinder, the opposing 6-cylinder like the Goldwings have been for a long time. It is the 1500cc though, not the 1800. There's a side panel. There's some scratching on there.
It's gonna be a lot louder. A lot of people like to hear that.
And yeah, so here on the side panel, got some scratching there, some like scuffs almost. I don't know what would cause that. So here on the side of the bag, there is a dent right there on the bag right there. It's not soft though, it's just dented in. Looks like it was repaired because it's painted over. Got some rust here on that little trim piece. Yeah, and then on the side of the trunk here, very similar to the other side like we talked about. It is not cosmetically fantastic, but it does have the CB whips, or the big whips there for the CB and for the radio. Again, here are the armrests on the seat. Up here on the top of the seat, there is a tear here, and there along the top. Again, I mentioned it earlier that this is like there's like a small hole here, but it's like very like disfigured, like it was melted or something. I don't know why that would be. Got the backrest here. The rider seat has a tear right here. You can see that. And we'll come up over the top and see all of the controls here, like up on top of the tank. And you know, throttle, lever, kill switch, all that stuff, starter, yada yada yada. There's your control, or your gauges, I mean, and your ignition. Same thing on this side with controls, clutch lever, you name it. There's your CB controls down there. And there's the controls there. This guy looks like he added a 12 volt, you know, the cigarette lighter plug-in thing. So this bike does have 66,900 miles, so almost 67,000 miles. Yeah, so here I'm just gonna fire this thing up so you guys can hear it run. Comes right to life. Yeah, here's one little like thing that you want to know. Kill switch doesn't do anything. So on and off is by key only. Kill switch does not work. Yeah, I mean honestly that's it. I'm gonna give you one more quick walk around. I'm gonna turn the ignition back on so all the lights are on, so you guys can see all that all in one swipe. It is a 1989 Honda Goldwing. It's the GL 1500/6, and it runs well. Seems to be mechanically sound, but very aesthetically not perfect. That's probably being a little bit generous. All right, guys, check the bike out on the website, and thanks so much for watching.